Anyone who works with pipes has probably faced the frustrating problem of a sealing gasket that refuses to stay in place. You position it carefully, start assembling the connection, and just when everything seems correct, the gasket shifts and forces you to start over. It's a surprisingly common issue that can waste a lot of time during installation. That's why this simple technique has attracted so much attention. Without replacing parts, spending extra money, or using specialized tools, it helps keep the gasket properly positioned throughout the assembly process. The secret lies in a small adjustment that most people overlook. Once applied, the installation becomes faster, easier, and much more reliable. A practical and clever solution that makes pipe assembly far less frustrating.